demands in a support the cut motion for demand numbers 47, 48, 49, 51, 53, 54, 55, 58, 68. Demand number 47 Goa Medical College. Speaker sir, GMC आमची लायफलायन आनी म्हणजे कसलीय कंप्लेन नाय, कसली ती क्वॉलिटी कितें सर्वीस मेळटा ती आमचे डॉक्टर आनी स्टाफ दिता ती. हांवूय जाणा ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर जाता तितले ट्राय करता बेस्ट फॅसिलिटीज दिवपा थिंगा. But at the same time, the whole infrastructure and setup thing while performing on one hand it's under a lot of stress. The जायते patient सगळ्या GMC येतात and जायते patient out of stateचेय येतात. Speaker sir, so they have to perform clinical duties as well as most of the time the teachers of the medical college असतात त्यांची staffy असतात. Speaker sir, हांव मागता the government to ensure the upgradation of facilities, recruitment of medical and support staff and simplification of process for the patient care in the casualty OPDs and wards. Speaker sir, जेन्ना पेशंट ट्रिटमेंट आनी केराची उलयता आसतना द कॅज्युअलिटी वर्ड ऑलमोस्ट ओवर क्रावडेड आसता आनी थिंगा ऑपरेटींग फ्रॉम अ स्पेस दॅट इज नॉट सफिशियंट आयडियली कॅज्युअलिटी मस्ट बी द फर्स्ट प्लेस that should be accessible in case of emergency. But in case of GMC, casualty is almost at the end of the campus. The casualty room is small and hence when suddenly a large number of patients are sent or referred by other hospitals, there is a chaos. Can we design a new spacious and accessible casualty block with all required support service such as radiology and labs close to each other? The patients have to be shifted multiple times to main casualty and other testing room. There are not enough stretchers, beds, attendants. The specialist doctors on call take time to arrive, losing precious time as they are busy in other works. Speaker sir, OPDs are also crowded. Although आता new online booking system केल्ले हा introduce केला पण तो feedback मेळटा ते sufficient ना आनी एक कामूय सारकें करना. In GMC, the senior professor who heads the OPD can handle only 15 patients as per the information given by the patient. And hence sometimes people reaches in dark hours, early morning or hire someone to reserve a place in the queue. This is not advisable for a patient who spend more time in the queue compared to the treatment. It is requested that OPDs may be conducted for the whole day or 2 shifts so that the load can be handled. Speaker sir, old block of GMC and new super specialist block, coordination issues are there. Sometimes a patient from the old block has to be shifted to SSB, and unless an ambulance is available, it is not possible. Speaker sir, the admission process for patient in wards needs to be streamlined. Sometimes a patient will be stranded for hours in casualty from where he or she is referred to be admitted in wards due to various logistic reasons. Either bed is not available, requested facility is not required with bed with ventilators are not available, or attendant is not available, or stretcher with oxygen support is not available. Speaker sir, the discharge process is also cumbersome. The time between official intimation of discharge and actual discharge is used. Lot of time is spent in asking the patient or his companion to go and xerox the case papers, test reports, collect medicine from pharmacy, and later come and show this medicine to doctors, and without which the discharge is not given. Sometimes ambulance arranged by patient is waiting for hours for patient is not, if the patient is not discharged. Speaker sir, some years back, Honorable Minister was talking about providing attendant for the patient care. I think time has come for this need to be arranged as most families members are not allowed inside wards, and existing staff is either overworked or does not perform the duties, patient duty care. Speaker sir, हांव जाणा मिनिस्टर हे सगळी डिफिकल्टीज जाणा आनी म्हाका दिसता गव्हर्मेंटान ताका चडशे आनी फंड दिवपाक जाय so that the GMC is best hospital not only in Goa but in India. Speaker sir, हांव एक 2 इश्यू हाडपाक सोदिता तुजे बरें एक हायलायट करपाक जे आमचे regularization of contract staff working in cardiac services. Several doctors and medical staff working in the department are on contracts. My LEQ number 14A on 10th March provides all the details of the staff employed. While the doctor may have opted for contract work in the cardiology cardiovascular and cardiac surgery department, but technical staff that have been hoping that government will regularize their services, they have worked for more than 10 years now. This department has done great service to governments, and not only doctors, but the entire staff deserve appreciation. For that, and hence a mark of gratitude, special provision be made to regularize their service. Speaker, sir, I request Honorable Minister to give assurance on the floor of the House regarding this. Speaker, sir, as per the LEQ number 64 dated 10 March shows that almost all the staff quarters are in a dangerous condition and are ordered for demolition. I would request the Honorable Minister to take up phase-wise construction of new quarters and hostel at GMC and other campuses under GMC like Mandur, Santa Cruz, and Santines. Speaker, sir, demand number 48, health service. Speaker, sir, health service, मागे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी उलयता सदां उलयला आमची जावं वेल्ली सोलना आंबेली चिंचिणी सांजेर आनी सदां जेन्ना डिमांड केला ती सदां म्हाका प्रॉमीस केला चिंचिणी वेल्ली कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीक दिवपाक जाय म्हणून तिका हेल्थ फॅसिलिटीज इम्प्रूव करपाक जाय म्हणून म्हाका सदांच एश्युरन्स दिल्लें आहा पूण आयज पासून एक वर्स जालें ना ती जी एश्युरन्स दिल्लें लास्ट टायम तिणें सांगलां म्हाका एमर्जन्सी येत्या म्हयन्या एक म्हयन्या भितर कंप्लीट करून दिता म्हणून तो अजून पासून तेजें कांयच जालें ना सांजे DRL आमकां वेलनस सेंटर दिता म्हणलो तोय कांयच जालें ना स्पिकर सर आतां म्हाका एक सांग कितें जातलें वेल्ली कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीक येदी व्हडली कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी इतलो लोक आहा थिंगा आमचे कडेन कांयच ना थिंगा एक आतां प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर चिंचिणी आनी सब सेंटर्स आनी कांयच ना एकूच प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर आहा सो तोय अपग्रेडेशन कोण थिंगा आनी स्पेस उरलो ना आतां सांगला वेन्जीन सांगला हें काम जायना आमी थिंगा आमचे आय क्लिनिकूय घायला कॅटराक्ट ऑपरेशन आमीय करतात आमचे पेमेंटांतल्यान आमी करतात एम्बुलन्स एक आहा ते आसोलनान दवरले पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर पूण ती आख्ख्या सरावंडींग एरिया हेका पावता ती आनी आमकां जाय तेन्ना ती आसना आमकां येता वचोंक खंय मडगांवसून येता कुंकळी सावन येता तेका लागून हांवें एक एम्बुलन्सूय दवरला दुसऱ्या पेशंटांक व्हरपाक दोन कडेन सांजे एक ऑफीस घायला थिंगाय आमचे दोतोरूय आहाय फ्री मेडिसिनूय आमी तांकां दिता हे आमकां फॅसिलिटीज कांयच ना सो म्हाका एक एश्युरन्स दी एमर्जन्सी एक वेल्डिंग कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी जातलो काय जाता लास्ट टायमूय दिल्लो तुवें एक म्हयन्या भितर जाता म्हणलो पूण आतां सांग म्हाका आतां एक वरां उरलो जातलें स्पिकर सो मातशें उठ आनी सांग म्हाका एक
तशें जायना ते ऑनरेबल मेंबर कंप्लीट युअर डिमांड
नेक्स्ट 2 months
4 वर्स जाली
एका विचार केल्या काय करू ना तुझी करता तुझे
करता लास्ट टायम सांगलो ना सर
ना करता खबर emergency center requires
Speaker, sir, demand number 51, Goa Dental College. Demand for this year has remained unchanged with provision of 80 crores. Speaker, sir, I feel there is a need to raise the intake capacity of dental college, both undergraduate and postgraduate level. Speaker, sir, demand number 53, Food and Drugs Administration. There is only 29 crore budget, out of which 5 crores going for outsourcing, utility attendant. There is hardly anything left to upgrade the laboratories of this department. Speaker, sir, demand number 54, Town and Country Planning. Speaker, sir, TCP has become one of the most controversial departments and is at the center of several agitation and protests. अख्ख्या गोंयांत हेची प्रोटेस्ट चलत आनी सगळे MLA उलयता कित्याक गोवाज नेचर इज गोवाज फ्युचर गोंयचो नेचर सांबाळ जाल्यार गोंय उत्तरलें गोंयचो नेचर म्हळ्यार कितें आमचे दोंगर शेतां जमीन उदक हे सगळें सांबाळपाक जाय स्पिकर सर 39A सगळे डिमांड हांवें स्क्रॅप जावचे म्हणून आनी एक न्यू रिजनल प्लॅन जावचो म्हणून स्पिकर सर लास्ट संडे आनी रामापूर सिल्ली पंचायतांक गेल्ले ग्रामसभा एटेंड करपाक थिंगा खंय ते 2 प्रोजेक्ट पास जाले 100% FER आतां विलेजां भितरूय 100% FER जालो केन्ना कॉमेस जालो आमची रिजनल प्लॅनाचेर तेन्ना लोकांक सगळें एकठांय जावन एप्रूव केलो ते फकत 60% एप्रूव केल्लो 100% आतां सगळे विलेजां गांवांनी पावलो सो म्हाका ते जात तितलो बेगीन न्यू रिजनल प्लॅन करचो एन 39A कितें आहा तें स्क्रॅप करचें म्हणून स्पिकर सर जालें ना 9 मिनटां जालें Speaker, sir, demand number 58, Women and Child Development. Speaker, sir, I would like to draw the attention to two pressing issues under the department. One is delay in appointment of Goa State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. My LEQ number 54 replied on 10th March shows that commission is not formed, and for almost 2 years the work of commission is stalled. This is really embarrassing situation, and where more than 15 cases are pending, a commissioner is not formulated. I want an assurance from the Honorable Minister that this commission will be constituted immediately. Speakers of Anganwadis, which are run by the department, need urgent attention. On the last session, LUQ Guidelines 6A showed that 1,262 Anganwadi centers are, the majority of them are run in rented premises, for which rent is between 2,000 to 4,000. Many of these are running in abandoned government primary school, and few are constructed and owned by department. Speaker sir, your renovate जावपास जाय आनी फाटी हांव विजीट केलो ते सगळे भुरगीं जमनीर बसतात कांय अंगणवाडी पासून आमी थोडी टेबल चेअर दिली म्हाका दिसता आख्खी आमची कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी सगळी अंगणवाडी तांकां धाकटी चेअर बरी डिजायनान चेअर धाकटी टेबल्स येताय तांकां मातशें दिवचें म्हणून मागता.